Hello, this is Derek with Real Property Management, here to give a quick introduction to the furnace switch. This switch here shuts the entire furnace unit off. If that switch is shut off, there's no power going to the furnace, there's no power for the air conditioner. That switch is usually on the side of the furnace or on a wall. If you end up with a switch on a wall, it shouldn't be with other switches. But just know that if your furnace isn't working and there's a switch close to the furnace that's off, that may be your problem. Check that first.